Norris Geyser Basin. Porcelain-like appearance. Lower in elevation.
So now we are at Norris Geyser
Basin and museum. No restroom.
Late Geyser. Steams and submerged on the edge of how dare. 640,000
The Yellowstone volcano.
Huh?
It says the Yellowstone volcano.
Yeah, let's go. This is the colorful area.
This way, man. Okay. Well, I'm going to be rowing now, so I can go give it a try. What, are you rowing with me? Yeah.
Wow. That's a big one, huh? That's just a trail.
Oh, that would be wonderful. Thank you.
So there's a lot of iron that could be found here, and the reason they call it basin is because it's like a bowl, you know? So that's why the geyser basin. You can smell it, right? You can smell the metals. Look at that. It looks so angry, doesn't it? Yeah.
Look how hot the earth core is. This is the radiation, right? The lava.
Does this have anything to do with global warming?
Oh, like you said something so stupid right now.
Why? You said it's hot, and everything's getting hotter, so maybe...
Water vapor, it's a steam.
Yeah, but you said the earth is so hot.
Cleaning. Look, icy mountain in the background and rain.
Such a confusing view.
Okay, take out your camera. Take out your
Yeah, like I gotta do everything around here. Nobody. Actually, that old man was actually pretty smart. Look how blue the water is.
Come here. Take out your phone.
Then should we go back? Where's going to go back?
Come on. Sound of pressurized air and steam is very terrifying, right?
Yeah. I feel like I wanna barbecue.
This water down there has so many minerals. It's coming from core.
Yeah.
Very powerful. If you take bath in the salty water, you have no skin disease, no pimples, nothing.
Why don't they just start selling this?
Cancer treatment.
What? They all have a name.
Sunday. Sunday fun day, guys. People throw rubbish like somebody threw their hat.
Stupid. It's like metals.
Yeah, metal smell. You can smell like very distinctive smell, and gunpowder smell. It's like walking in heaven. Yeah, it does look like basin.
Yeah, that's how it's
like
come.
basin. Yeah?
Yeah. It goes on forever, right? There must be something here that attracts the geysers, no? Or like
Volcano, baby.
no, but the environment here must be such because there's so many. But there must be something like special about this environment.
Very tiny. One this side. I want this whole smoke.
I'll try.
Be in the corner. I don't mind being in the corner of the photo. Living LG lives in a 38 centigrade, and after 50 centigrade the copper color. This is how the colors are made. Look at the ejaculation of the water. See?
Yeah.
Distance.
Okay.
Here's the color. This is LG.
Oh yeah. So green.
Green LG, like because of hot water, living being. So this is how they use the study of this to see like if it on different planets which are hotter than Earth, life
We
can
can survive.
exist because of the LG can exist in this hot water means it can exist in the other planets.
That's cool. Well, we should turn back, no?
I just want to see copper.
Oh yeah. Oh, that's pretty. It's my favorite. It looks like rose gold.
That's copper. That's what makes all the colors.
It's so cold.
So the reason why this is happening really aggressively, there's not maybe like only like 50, 100 meters below, there might be active volcano lava. That's why this is coming so aggressive.
Yeah. It did say that. It did say there's a Yellowstone volcano.
The lava must be just like 50 meters away, like 20, 50.
So it's the volcano that's erupting.
I don't know anything about it. See porcelain basin?
The acidic and the most hottest.
Most large. Sorry?
I said it's as acidic as vinegar.
Look. So volcano must be there.
Oh yeah. And then that's probably.
And this is the hole that I was talking about.